Imagine this, you've just enjoyed a delicious meal. Everything seemed perfect, but soon after you feel a fiery sensation creeping up your chest. Heartburn strikes again. Sound familiar? If it does, you're not alone. Millions worldwide face the discomfort of acid reflux daily, disrupting their lives and peace of mind. In this video, we'll take a deep dive into acid reflux, what causes it, why traditional treatments often fail, and how you can take control of your digestive health naturally. Stick around as we reveal the top 5 vitamins and natural remedies that can stop acid reflux permanently and restore your quality of life. Understanding acid reflux. To truly tackle acid reflux, we need to understand what's happening inside your body. You see, acid reflux, or GERD, occurs when stomach acid flows backward into your esophagus. This backward flow can cause symptoms like heartburn, chest pain, a sour taste in your mouth, and even trouble swallowing. The key player here is a small valve called the lower esophageal sphincter, or LES. Think of it as the gatekeeper between your stomach and esophagus. When it functions properly, it opens to allow food in and closes tightly to keep acid where it belongs. But when this gate becomes weak or relaxed, acid escapes, leading to the burning sensation we call heartburn. The hidden triggers. So why does the LES fail? Triggers can vary, from overeating, stress, or lying down too soon after meals to more specific causes like smoking, obesity, or certain medications. Even your diet plays a massive role. Common culprits include acidic foods, caffeine, and high-fat meals. But here's something you might not know. The problem isn't necessarily having too much stomach acid. In fact, many people with acid reflux actually suffer from too little stomach acid. Strange, right? When stomach acid levels are too low, food doesn't digest properly, leading to gas, bloating, and upward pressure on the LES. Why antacids are not the answer? Now, you might be thinking, I'll just take an antacid. After all, it provides quick relief, right? Well, here's the catch. Antacids only neutralize your stomach acid temporarily. Over time, they can make your symptoms worse by disrupting the natural acid balance your body needs for digestion. Show a comparison chart highlighting short-term relief versus long-term effects of antacids. So, instead of masking the symptoms, let's address the root cause. And that's where our natural remedies come in. Countdown begins. Let's dive into the top 5 vitamins and natural remedies that can help you stop acid reflux for good. Number 5. Ginger, the soothing root. First on our list is ginger, a natural anti-inflammatory powerhouse. For centuries, ginger has been used to soothe digestive issues, and for good reason. It works by relaxing the tissues in your food pipe and stomach lining, reducing irritation caused by acid reflux. One study found that taking ginger extract before meals reduced reflux symptoms by 40%. Not only does it calm inflammation, but it also helps your stomach empty faster, reducing the pressure on your LES. Tips for using ginger. Chew on a fresh slice for immediate relief. Add it to teas, soups, or smoothies for regular use. Number 4. Zinc L Carnosine, the healing mineral. Next up is Zinc L Carnosine, a compound that combines zinc with the amino acid carnosine. This duo is a game-changer for healing damaged tissues in your digestive tract. Zinc helps repair the protective mucus layer in your stomach, while carnosine reduces inflammation and promotes healing. Studies show that Zinc L Carnosine can alleviate GERD symptoms and even protect against ulcers. Food sources of zinc. Oysters, grass-fed beef, and pumpkin seeds are excellent choices. Coming in at number 3 is betaine HCl with pepsin. This supplement tackles the root cause of acid reflux, low stomach acid. By restoring proper acid levels, it improves digestion and prevents undigested food from causing reflux. Start with a low dose and gradually increase until you notice improvement. But always consult your doctor before adding new supplements to your routine. Number 2. Probiotics, the friendly bacteria. Probiotics are live microorganisms that help balance your gut flora. A healthy gut means less inflammation, better digestion, and a stronger LES. To get started, incorporate fermented foods like kimchi, sauerkraut, and kombucha into your diet. Alternatively, you can take a high-quality probiotic supplement, Our number one remedy is apple cider vinegar. While it might sound counterintuitive to add acid to combat acid reflux, it works wonders by balancing your stomach's pH. Use raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar, and start with 1 tablespoon in a glass of water before meals. The acetic acid not only aids digestion but also tightens the LES to prevent reflux. Section 5. Lifestyle changes for long-term relief. Alongside these remedies, simple lifestyle changes can make a huge difference. Eat smaller meals, avoid lying down right after eating, and reduce stress through meditation or exercise. Small steps can lead to big improvements over time. Now that you know how to combat acid reflux naturally, it's time to take action. Start incorporating these remedies into your daily routine and see the difference for yourself. If you found this video helpful, please like and share. Together, let's pave the way to a healthier, happier you.